Hello, this is Crystal Watson. I'm here with the last week's discussion. The first question in the discussion is, what do you now see as your role as a master's prepared nurse as it relates to the health assessment? And I feel as a registered nurse, 90% of our goal in our job is to assess. I feel a master's prepared nurse takes us a step further, focusing on the full reason for an assessment, not only just the action of the assessment. We understand the need for focused assessments and notice abnormalities. The second question is, how will you incorporate health promotion, health literacy, and culturally competent care into this role? I will incorporate health promotion by including education based off my assessments and clinical diagnoses made by the provider. I do feel that this course has made me remember that there are other issues at hand than just my field of interest and my specialty. Over the past, I've been focused on blood pressure prevention, obesity, CHF, cardiac issues, and cardiac health, that I had forgotten about the simple self-care promotion, such as the topics that we spoke of, skin cancer, self-assessments for skin cancer, breast cancer, and oral cancer. These are assessments that I can incorporate into my education that do not relate to cardiac health, but can be preventative health for the patient. I have become more aware of health literacy. I found new resources through this course that I can access to get information to provide for my patients. I also will incorporate cultural competency. That's everywhere. Our world is ever changing and becoming more diverse every day. So I think it's important to first understand your own personal values and cultural beliefs. That way, you know where you stand, and also be aware of all the other cultural competencies that are out there. Know your resources at your work. Who can you reach out to? What can you do to help these different diverse populations? That's going to be the number one thing that you can do, and adapt to your environment. You're going to need to communicate in different ways. I feel that this course has prepared me for a higher level of care through learning about different aspects of health assessment and how it relates to health, and it's given me a further education of different avenues to find information that is needed to provide to patients. Thank you.